Okay, so I said the best is yet to come. And for us, this was the best. After a stay in Witsieshoek Lodge, roughly 2,000 meters above sea level, we decided to tackle the towering Sentinel Peak. Sentinel Peak connects to the mighty Tugela Falls, the controversial first or second tallest waterfall in the world. This was the most challenging hike by far, but the reward was incredible. Sentinel Peak is roughly 3,200 meters above sea level. That's a third of Mount Everest. A kingdom in the clouds with the most beautiful views you've ever seen. The only problem is getting down. We opted for the chain ladders, a terrifying but exciting end to a beautiful day. Reinhold Messner once said, "The wonderful things in life are the things you do, not the things you have." It couldn't be truer for Drakensberg.